Good morning, keep on pushing family. You know, after we crashed in Calgary and I'm sliding down the track on my head, helmet scraping the ice, in front of the entire world, you know what was the most difficult part of that entire experience for me? When I tell you it wasn't the crash, it was what I said to myself afterwards. You see, athletes can be brutal with themselves, and I have to admit that I'm no different. So that inner voice that said, you trained for this, you represented your country, and you couldn't hold a sled. That voice was ruthless. So here's what I had to learn the hard way. You cannot push your hardest from a place of self-punishment. The same discipline that drives you forward has to be balanced with the same grace you'd give to someone you love. Think about that for a second. If a friend should come to you now and say, I fell today, I failed today. Today I didn't meet my own expectations. What would you do? Would you tear them apart, or would you say, come on man, get up. You're still here. Let's go again. Well, if that's what you would say, you should talk to yourself in the same way. And know that that's not softness, that's wisdom. So today, wherever you fell, whatever you missed, however far short you feel, speak to yourself in the way that you would speak to someone you love. Because guess what? That someone is you. Yeah.
Keep on pushing.